Temple 15, Kokubunji, an official state temple. This is one of 5 temples kind of close together in Tokushima City, and it is one of many Kokubunji temples. The Kokubunji temples were all order construction by Emperor Shomu in the 8th century. So there are Kokubunji temples throughout Japan, and I'll have more to say about them at another Kokubunji temple, because this one is kind of in disrepair and don't feel like telling the story at this one. In fact, this temple, when Oliver Statler traveled around on his pilgrimage in 1973, talked about how much disrepair this temple was. It was falling apart. People noted in 1988 that this place smelled like pig shit. And it looks like they finally got the message and they're starting to rebuild it. This is the current Daishido, and this is the temporary Hondo. They are looks like they are trying to rebuild it, yet no one appears to be actually working on it. It's mid-afternoon and there's no sound of any activity whatsoever taking place. The Kokubunji, when they were originally built, all had a main hall and a pagoda attached to them, and this is a foundation stone to the original pagoda. I'm assuming this is where the central pillar probably rested that holds up the pagoda. The main image of this temple is Yakushi, was carved by Gyogi. It's not on display, and there's another figure legendarily carved by the Daishi, and it's not on display either. And this is the back of the Daishido. So it looks like they built the Daishido first, and now they are reworking on the Hondo. I'm not sure when it will be done. So if you come and visit it, maybe the Hondo will have been finally completed, or maybe it will take 2 years, 3 years, or decades to complete. So this is temple number 15, Kokubunji, the first of 4 Kokubunji that we will examine on, or that we'll visit during the pilgrimage, and I'll tell you how they came about at perhaps the next one.